Hello! Today we are going to learn how to create a wonderful presentation using Prezi.com. Well, what is Prezi? This is an excellent web tool to make your next presentation more engaging. Here's how to get started. Well, you have to type right here the official site, Prezi.com. Then you click right here on the right button, Get Started. When you click that button, it will show you the information that you need to fill in: your first name, last name, email, password, and then click on continue, and that's it. I have already created my Prezi account, and as you can see right here, I have many presentations that I have created. But to create a new presentation, you have to click the plus button right here, and it will show you if you want to create a video, design your presentation, or a presentation using the templates that Prezi has. Right here are the templates that you can see. There are many of them, from shoes to. From your dashboard, right here, when you have an account, you just type Prezi present, and then on the left you can start a blank template, or you can even convert an existing PowerPoint deck to your new presentation. Let's start with a blank template. Choose from the Prezi library. Once you have found the right one, please click on it and use this template to start. Over on the left, on the slide bar right here, shows you the order in which your content will appear when you finish your presentation. Then start making your interactive presentation. You can add pictures right here. You can add pictures, videos under instructions section. Right here is the insert section. You will find different type of elements. Let me show you right here. Different type of elements that you can add to make your content stand out. You can add visuals like images, icons, right here, text, gift, videos. Just search and drag. For example, if you want to add a video, you just click right here on the video, and then you will be searching the video and then add it to your presentation. With Prezi.com, you can do a preview right here, and you can zoom whenever you need to. As you can see, it's a very interactive presentation that will engage your students. To send your presentation, you just have to click up here on the share button right here, and you can copy the link and then share your presentation with others. Now you are ready to create amazing presentation using Prezi.com. Have a great day.